will fight until my final breath. Valhalla, I am ready for this war. Live or die, I accept my fate. Bring on the storm. I will see you kneel before hell's feet, so close. You can feel her breath crawling under your skin. Only then will I pull you out, just to throw you back. Feel my rage. Feel my rage. I will not kneel. I will not yield. I was raised for war. As I draw nearer to my foe, I can see the cold dead white in their eyes. In their eyes. In their eyes. Feel the storm's rage. Hear the sky crack like hammering steel. The lightning snaps and my mouth fills with the taste of blood. Now I hear their screams echo through my skull. The bell is rung, war has begun. I will not kneel. I will not yield. I was raised for war. As I draw nearer to my foe, I can see the cold dead white in their eyes. In their eyes. In their eyes. I will fight until my last breath. I will see you kneel before hell. I am ready for war. Let my axe clash against their heads, then rip through their skulls. The sounds of war, like lightning forging steel. Forging steel.